Gunlocker 75 back on the range. Today we brought out the 7.62 by 3.9 AR-15. I really do like this rifle, and let me tell you some little information about it. So the upper is a Bear Creek Arsenal that I got on sale, a complete upper for $200. And then I just built the lower myself. It's just an Anderson lower. One thing that you want to do if you decide to go this route, because there's probably a lot of you out there that have experienced issues with the 7.62 by 3.9 in the AR-15 platform. Well, even though I bought this complete upper ready to go for 7.62 by 3.9, it came with a basic AR-15 223 firing pin. So what ends up happening a lot of times is you get a bunch of light primer strikes. So I had that for quite a while. So I switched the firing pin out to a 7.62 by 3.9 firing pin because it's a little bit longer. And then the other thing I did was, from Wolf Springs, I got myself a heavy duty hammer spring, and it basically allows the hammer to hit harder. So now we have a longer firing pin and we have a little bit harder hitting hammer, and now we don't have any more light primer strikes. So if any of you are having problems out there, that's what you need to look into. But that's what we're going to do today, is play around with the 7.62 by 3.9 AR-15, and I will bring you in for a closer look. Like I said, we have a complete Bear Creek Arsenal upper. Definitely check them out. They run some really good deals on uppers. And we just have a basic Anderson Precision lower. Pretty much use spare parts. I think I want to replace this handguard with like a Magpul, you know, green to match the rest. We have a 1 in 10 twist barrel. It's 1 in 10 twist. You know, got the classic bird cage on the end. I mean, it's pretty basic. It's not a whole lot going on here, but extremely fun to shoot. Let's go ahead and load up a mag. Let's make sure we put our ears on. I will include a picture right now of the details on the firing pin and the hammer spring, and probably what type of mags these are too. I can't remember, but they're like the most recommended for this platform. All that kind of matters when you're dealing with a touchy situation here. All right, we'll just go right off the bench. We got a target about 50 yards downrange. Gotta make sure we put our flag back in. Let's get the last round out of here. As you can see, that fired just fine. Where before, when I first got it, you'd fire a round, it would work, light primer strike, fire 2 rounds, light primer strike, fire 1 round, like, you know, it was pretty bad. Let's try some more. shooting a little bit high left. Let's try. No, that's not what we want. This is just a bolt-on carry handle, but I really like this look, so. Okay, so let's see what we got going on there. That was a light primer strike. I should say that once in a blue moon I do still get one, so it's not 100% perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. So I love the 7.62x3.9 cartridge. If you've never tried it in the AR platform, you should give it a try. It's definitely a nice alternative. And even through the worst of the scamdemic, 7.62x3.9 ammo was always cheaper than 223. So something to think about. And I mean, I put this together for under $400, obviously before the scamdemic, but prices are coming down, so you should still be able to do something pretty reasonably. Guys, thanks for joining me today for this quick video on the 7.62x3.9 AR-15. Fun gun to shoot. I still have an occasional problem, but I mean, you know, I don't know if I would necessarily put my life on the line with it yet, but it was probably 50% effective when I first bought it. And it's probably about 98%. So still kind of working on it, but it's still a fun gun to shoot, go out to the range. A lot cheaper ammo. So that's it. That's it for today. That's what I got for you guys. I appreciate you watching, as always. And let's bring it in real quick. See if you can get one last look at it. We got the flag in so we don't get in trouble here at the range. But we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.